Om Sakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. Everyone wants to live a peaceful and happy life. We can surely attain it with divine grace and blessings from our ancestors. Some people lose their happiness and peace because of evil forces and witchcraft too. If these forces can be done away with, then leading a happy and peaceful life is a certainty. Amma has ordained 2 special worship rituals to be performed on the 18th of August 2020, that is, on the new moon day of the Tamil month Avani. Ritual 1. Yajna for Ancestors. A new moon day is propitious for worshipping ancestors and abolishing evil. It is usually done during the months of Thai, which is mid-January to mid-February, Adi, which is mid-July to mid-August, and Puratasi, which is mid-September to mid-October. In a recent oracle, Amma has ordained to perform this ritual even during the month of Avani, which is mid-August to mid-September, for our well-being. When we offer our prayer to ancestors on the Avani new moon day, we will certainly receive their blessing. To perform this worship at home, we need the following. 1. Turmeric and kumkum or vermilion powder. 2. A kalasam obtained from the Siddharpidam, preferably a new one. 3. 1 dehusked coconut. 4. 5 mango leaves. 5. A yarn of sacred thread called Muppuri Nool in Tamil. 6. Portraits of ancestors. 7. Favorite foods of ancestors. Please note that only vegetarian food should be offered, no meat is to be included. 8. A new dhoti or a new sari, depending on the ancestor being a man or a woman. 9. A small quantity of raw rice. 10. Betel leaves. 11. 2 ripe bananas. 12. Ingredients of the fortune-giving yajna or yogam tarum yagam. Procedure. 1. Place the portrait of ancestors and offer any food the ancestors liked. Do not include liquor or meat. 2. Prepare the kalasam as per the methods of Siddharpidam and place it in front of the portrait. 3. To the front of the kalasam, place a dhoti if the ancestor was a man or sari if a woman. Place 2 betel leaves and 2 bananas on top of the dhoti or sari. 4. In a small bowl, take some raw rice and mix it with turmeric to make yellow colored rice. After that, perform drishti, which is removal of the evil eye. 5. Perform fortune-giving yajna or yogam tarum yagam using the copper yagakundam obtained from the Siddharpidam. 6. After reciting Moola Mantra and 108 mantras, mention the name of the ancestor and wish for their soul to attain peace and sprinkle the yellow colored rice onto the kalasam thrice. 7. After completing the worship, ward off drishti and spray the holy water from the kalasam all around the house. Mantras for worship. 1. Moola Mantra. 2. 108 Potri Tiruvuru. Ritual 2. yajna to ward off evil forces or witchcraft. The second procedure is a yajna to eliminate all evil forces and effects of witchcraft. The following are required to perform the yajna. 1. All the ingredients of the fortune-giving yajna or the Yogam Tarum Yagam. 2. Sweetened pongal offering on a banana leaf. Procedure. Perform fortune-giving yajna using the copper yagakundam obtained from the Siddharpidam. Place the sweetened pongal as prasadam or offering and recite with complete faith the Moola Mantra and the 108 Potri Tiruvuru mantras. Optionally, the 1008 Potri and Kavasam mantras may also be recited. After the completion of worship, perform Drishti. To know the procedure for conducting the fortune-giving yajna or the Yogam Tarum Yagam, click the link in the description box below. During the Velvi, draw a stick figure with the charcoal stick on the thorn apple, that is Umattangai, before offering it in the Velvi. The Samithu sticks should be dipped in sesame oil and offered. While performing the yagam, one must earnestly pray, may the family live in a state of tranquility and peace. May the divine energy remove all confusion. May nature's 5 elements bless us with a continuous supply of food. Worship method on the new moon day. On the new moon day, at a convenient time, first perform the yajna to worship the ancestors, that is ritual 1. After the copper yagakundam cools down, clean it and then perform the yajna to ward off evil forces, which is ritual 2, on the same new moon day. Doing both these procedures as graced by Amma on the new moon day of Avani will gladden our ancestors and they will bestow us their blessings, protection and guidance. Also, it will eliminate evil forces and black magic so we can gain peace and joy in our lives. You can post any doubts regarding this procedure in the comments section. We will answer them in a subsequent video. Om Sat.